120 super useful words. House, house. Balcony, balcony. Room, room. Bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom. Kitchen, kitchen. Dining room, dining room. Living room, living room. Laundry, laundry. Yard, yard. Wall, wall. Door, door. Window, window. Roof, roof. Garage, garage. Tea kettle, tea kettle. Stove, stove. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Washing machine, washing machine. Electric mixer, electric mixer. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Blender, blender. Microwave, microwave. Oven, oven. Toaster, toaster. Knife, knife. Fork, fork. Spoon, spoon. Plate, plate. Bowl, bowl. Teacup, teacup. Coffee mug, coffee mug. Glass, glass. Jug, jug. Cupboard, cupboard. Pen, pen. Pot, pot. Sink, sink. Faucet, faucet. Dish rake, dish rake. Trash bin, trash bin. Recycle trash bin, recycle trash bin. Rug, rug. Bed, bed. Mattress, mattress. Bedside lamp, bedside lamp. Drawer, drawer. Dresser, dresser. Alarm clock, alarm clock. Closet, closet. Curtains, curtains. Pillow, pillow. Blanket, blanket. Clock, clock. Fan, fan. Television, television. TV table, TV table. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Buffet, buffet. Sofa, sofa. Armchair, armchair, candelier, candelier, air conditioner, air conditioner, radiator, radiator, toothbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, toothpaste, soap, soap, toilet, toilet, shower, shower, bathtub, bathtub, towel, towel, mirror, mirror, liquid soap, liquid soap, tissue box, tissue box, toilet paper, toilet paper, comb, comb, shampoo, shampoo, wash basin, wash basin, hairbrush, hairbrush, razor, razor, electric razor, electric razor, hair dryer, hair dryer, classroom, classroom, school, school, teacher, teacher, student, student, chair, chair, desk, desk, school desk, school desk, pen, pen, pencil, pencil, marker, marker, eraser, eraser, notebook, notebook, pencil case, pencil case, sharpener, sharpener, projector screen, projector screen, chalkboard, chalkboard, whiteboard, whiteboard, test, test, book, book, car, car, bus, bus, train, train, plane, plane, taxi, taxi, ship, ship, board, board, bike, bike, truck, truck, motorcycle, motorcycle, helicopter, helicopter, van, van, subway, subway. Thanks for watching.